Hi Nine, I hope you guys are doing okay. Friday today, so that's got to be a good thing, nearly the weekend. Hope you can have lovely weekends at home, playing your PlayStations or watching Netflix or whatever it is you're able to do at home. If you want to get your yellow books out, write today's title is lowest common multiple. Today's date is the 25th of September. And just like yesterday, you can pause this video whenever you need to, and just like yesterday, we're going to do one example to go in your blue books, and then we're going to do one example that I want you guys to have a go at in your exercise books before you have a go at your task. Okay, so lowest common multiple. My first example I'm going to give to you is find the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12. Now, for those of you that are here in Monday's lesson, we talked a lot about what it means to have things in common. To have something in common is to have something you share, that 2 or 3 or more things both have. So we're looking at multiples that 9 and 12 have in common, and we need to find the lowest one. But before we know which ones they have in common, we need to know which ones they have, just like we did with highest common factor. So I'm going to start with 9. Now if I write out my multiples of 9, they go on forever. So I'm just going to start with the first few multiples of 9. And then I'm going to do my first few multiples of 12. And I need to look for multiples they've got in common. 9's got 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 12 has got 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. So I can see they have 36 in common. Now if I carried on doing my lists, there will be loads more multiples they have in common. But I want the lowest common multiple, and if I carry on, they're all going to be bigger. So the lowest common multiple of 9 and 12 is going to be 36. Hopefully that makes sense for you, and you've got that in your blue books. Pause the video if you need another couple of seconds. Right, now it's your one to have a go at in your exercise books. I want you to find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. Remember, you need your first few multiples of 6, your first few multiples of 8, and then the lowest one they have in common. So pause the video and have a go at that now. Okay, hopefully you've had a go at that now. I'm going to start with my multiples of 6. I'm just going to do the first few. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And then my first few multiples of 8. And I'm going to have a look at my first few multiples. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. And I do have one in common, it's 24. Sometimes when you look at those first few multiples, you might not have 2 in common. That's fine, doesn't mean you get it wrong, it means you just have to do a few more. Hopefully now that should all be alright with you, and you should be able to have a go at your task. All the best, make sure you mark your answers.